cunts. Hold on a minute. Got your fucking number, cunt.
Bonkerz.
I wake up every day to the daydream. Every pain in my life, ain't what it seems. I wake up to go back to sleep. My eyes don't shadow what I'm in too deep. I know I can't fight in sex and violence. And every day's not just my constant silence. Everybody says that I'm gonna get a grip. But I guess I didn't eat with the spirit.
Hold on. Go on, make some more notes here, you fucking mugs. Hold on. Got your fucking number, you fucking mugs. You're just a bunch of fucking trolls.
Bonkerz.
Some people think I'm bonkers, but I just think I'm free. I'm just living my life, they're fucking crazy like me. Some people pay for cruise, but I just live for free. Man, I'm just living my life, they're fucking crazy like me. Yeah, man, it's so I wake up every day as a big dream. Everything in my life feels like a scene. I wake up to go back to sleep. I don't shower what I'm in too deep. I don't care about being sex and violence. Every day's not is my conscious silence. Everybody says I'm fucking wrong. Yes, I'm the EP, you slip. Some people think I'm bonkers, but I just think I'm free. Man, I'm just living my life. Some people pay for cruise, but I'll get mine for free. Man, I'm just living my life. There's nothing crazy about me.
See you fucking mug. Give me your address. Give me your address, you fucking little mug. I'll come to your ass. I'll take your fucking head off. Hold on a minute. Let me take some more notes. I'm coming on the train tomorrow, you fucking mug. I'll do it live and I'll fucking show everyone I'm coming to your fucking ass. I'm a doorstepper. I'm an hard internet troll. Hold on a minute. What's your name again? I'm coming on my own. I'm coming on my own. I'm such a fucking hard nut. Hold on a minute. I've got to delete that bit. I got it wrong. Oh, I spelled. I'm going to go back to school, mate. Yeah. What are them fucking things? I mean, fucking hell. Fucking gangsters of the internet. Internet gangsters of the internet. I'm coming to your manor, mate. I'm coming. Give me your fucking address. Give me your fucking address. Don't you come out at all. Oh, wouldn't you fighting me with a fist, you fucking pussy hole. Don't you come out at all, cunt.
What we're living in, let me tell ya. There's no way young man can eat at home, but things are big that should be small. You can tell what magic spells we have to do and from right. And I'm giving up my life to this world, only to the dawn. I can see, I can breathe, no, I will be. And nothing's gonna change the way you live. Cause we can always see but never again. Cause now things changing for the West Sea. Wow, it's a crazy world we're living in. And I just can't see it. And half my best and mercy sickness. I wish every
Hello to you, fucking cunt. Where's your peacock? Have you got a cock the size of a pea? Or have you got a peacock as a pet? You fucking mug. Let me take some notes. Hold on a minute. Mr. Drew Peacock. Has he got a small cock, like the size of a pea? Or has he got a peacock as a pet? Hold on. It's in my notebook. You fucking mugs.
I can see it's time to burn the man that's me. If now every mother kids you color, I child
Just had some intelligence, Mr. Peacock. I will not disclose the personal information given to me. Peacock.
I think you have a and you religion. Oh, it's so easy to feel this announcement. There's something in this future that we have to see. So, we have virtual insanity. How we see to together about this life. You see how your new technology's grown out. No sound.
Go Peacock through the crowd. How are you doing anyway? Are you wrapped up in virtual insanity? Are you all going mental, shitting oriental in a virtual reality? Just remember, I'm just a figment of your imagination. You alright, cunt? Alright? Give me your address. I'll come find you, you fucking mug. Get on. Fucking droopy cocks in the comment. We got no droopy. We got no fucking droopy fannies though. Where are the droopy fannies? Come on, girls! Talk about the girls. Anyway, give me your fucking address, you fucking mug. Give me your fucking address, you fucking mug. Where's my tunes when I need him? Where's my backup tunes when I need him? Hey. Give me your fucking address, you fucking mug.
You want to tell me what this is all about?
What about it? Ever walk
walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize it's not death. Cause I've been laughing and laughing so long that even my mother thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed them.
Hello, couple of burps. Rushing to turn my headphones down. Oh, is it too loud? Sorry, brother. Sorry, brother. Stevie boy wants to give me his address. Oh, it's a date. Stevie boy wants to take me on a date. And Bert wants to turn me down. Fucking hell. 2 in 1. What do I do? Turn it down or fucking give my address? Oh, fuck. You're a bunch of cunts, mate. Give your address. Right, I'm going to make some notes on it. Bunch of fucking mugs. Give me your address. I'll come and sort you out. I'll come and sort you out. And you, couple of bucks. So you're going to be 1 or 2 or 2 and 1? Is it too loud? Fuck it. You turn your headphones down because I ain't turning my music down, you fucking cunt. Hold on. Couple of bucks is a cunt because he doesn't know how to turn his headphones down. Probably from Team U. But you can't. You can't mug.
And the kid deserve it. He be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you talking, the way you walking. Or you and your homies might be lying. So I really hate the truck, but I gotta look. As they cope, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Ooh, I'm the kind of dude that little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, 10 prayers in the street light.
Don't you take the fucking piss, what I said. More notes. Couple of burps is a fucking piss taking little cunt. Give me your address, you fucking mug. Get me my fuck. Right, let's put you on the blacklist. I'm gonna get my mate Trims in here in a minute. Here, back you up. Mind you, he's a fucking cunt and all.
Look at the situation, they got me thinking. I can't even know. I was raised by a shit, so I gotta be there with a good team. Too much television watching got me chasing.
Hey, it's a serious question now, right? If I build myself a shed and I sit in it, does that make me a gangster? Does it make me? Right. Gotta make some more notes. Hold on. Build shed. Put some shitty signs behind me saying Chester's Grotto, Gangster's Paradise, and then that makes me a gangster.
I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my 10 in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a dope down bitch, set to the banker. And my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, that thing nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living like do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24 the way things are going? I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see it? That the ones we heard are you and me. Power and the money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's winning. But I don't know what's going on in the chest. But I don't know what's tricky. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they teach me? I guess they can't. I guess they won't. I guess they can't. That's why I know my life is out of love.
Note to self, real gangsters don't sit in sheds moaning on the internet while their toes go blue. Gangsters don't need thermals because real gangsters have real houses. Real gangsters live in luxury, not in a fucking shed. Right, let's make note of cunts in the comments. Which cunts have been putting on the fucking block list? Couple of Burks. Still a cunt. Stevie boy. Still a cunt. Who's Axel anyway? Isn't that tall? Who the fuck is Axel? Give me his fucking address, I'll go do him up.
Pint-sized peace pups.
That one, yes, made sure that is. Ooh. I don't know how to do that. Let me make notes. How about you stick these shorts up your fucking arse? You ain't no fucking gangster. Dot, dot.